Hey, welcome everyone. So I'm Mimi, the founder of Attitude, and you are welcome to my bi-weekly small business vlog where I bring you along on my journey, show you, how I make my products, how I shoot the product photos, behind the scenes, my process and all of that. So Attitude is a personal care and lifestyle brand that encourages self-expression and with a sprinkle of art here and there. So let's jump right into it, and make sure you follow and subscribe so that anytime I post new videos it will appear on your timeline. So in today's vlog I am mainly going to be showing you the equipment I use and my process when it comes to how I package the products, which type of packaging I choose, and all of that. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching, and don't forget to follow and like this video. So these are things, some of the things I bought off Amazon recently. Actually some of them I haven't started using yet, so I thought it would be a good idea for me to actually unbox them on camera. So let's start with this is an interesting one. Also, I'm using the front camera of my phone to shoot, so in case it looks like I'm looking somewhere else other than in the camera, more like I'm looking at myself in the video because it's a front camera. So anyways, this is a data cable set. So this is one of the things you buy because you have a feeling you will need at some point. This is what it looks like. So it's literally different cables, right? And because I have Android and iOS, my Android phone is actually type, okay. My Android phone is actually type C. Let me, what's that? I got it. So okay, I think this is right. Okay, so my Android phone uses type C, but they have like the type C, the regular Android cable, then the iOS, and then this pin you can use to open the part of the phone where your SIM card is in, or like a memory card. I don't know, I feel like these days we don't really use memory card because it's a whole cloud thing. But anyways, this is what it looks like. And this, a lot of the filming I'll be doing is actually on my phone, right? And so I bought this so that I will have some of the capabilities of a camera but with my phone. So this is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. It comes in a box like this, and at the early stages, I mean, you have to be quite frugal, especially as a small business owner. So most likely things like photography, videography, I would be doing it on my own, not with a photographer because that would be a lot of cost. So where I can do things myself, I'm going to do that. And this is one of the ways I can make my product photos stand out without breaking the bank, because we small business owners, we don't have disposable cash like that. So there's that. I also got this screen monitor. So that I told you earlier that I'm using my phone camera to shoot. So most of the times I use the back camera to shoot my videos, but the thing is, when you're using the back camera and not the front camera, you don't really know how well you are positioned in the frame, and sometimes you can go a long way into the video before you even realize you are not in the frame, or the things you wanted to be in the frame wasn't in the frame because you can actually see yourself. That's where this comes in, right? So basically it's a monitor, a magnetic monitor you stick to the back of your phone and connect it to your phone that mimics whatever is on your screen on this screen. So you can see yourself on this screen at the back of your phone when you're using your back camera to shoot. Okay. This is an auto tracking device. So mainly used for when you are shooting something where you will be moving a lot, and in that case it tracks your every movement. So once you move, it follows you, right? The thing is, because I do everything myself, this is very, very vital, since I would not have anyone moving around with me, filming me. So it means in cases where I have to move around, I'll need this thing to do what it does. I've already unboxed the microphone, and it's the regular microphone everybody is using on TikTok, right? So just I took it out to film this video. I hope it's really working well, because I can't see the green light there, but okay, I see the light. But yeah, this is what it looks like, just the regular smuggler microphone. Something simple, nothing fancy, just something simple. So the ring light I'm currently using to film is very small, like quite tiny. So I bought another ring light, but that one specifically for like photo shoots, video shoots of the product, so that they come out really well. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's quite big. Unboxing time. Okay, so this is the bag it comes in, and then it comes with this stand as well. I bought this at a local shop, so it wasn't on Amazon or any of the retail sites. Let's see. Oh, I'm really excited to start this journey. I don't know how it will end, but I think it's worth a try. Like with everything, you feel the fear, but you do it anyways. You know how it goes. So this is what a ring light looks like. Simple. It's actually bigger than the one I'm currently using. The one I'm using I think is something like this. A little bigger than my head, I guess. Alright, so this is the stand. Let me show you the stand. I really hope this ring light does a good job. I have this fear that the microphone will not work as I would hope for it to work. But let's see when when I'm editing the video, I'll find out, I guess. If it doesn't work well, I'm just going to record a voiceover. So this is what the stand looks like. I think you kind of, yeah, you open it this way. I mean, I'm not ready to use it yet, so but this is what it looks like. Just a regular ring light, nothing fancy, nothing fancy. At the beginning, what I am going to be making is I want to launch with at most 3 products to test the market, because you know, when you're starting out as a small business owner, you don't have a lot of fans and you don't have a lot of following, and you don't know what the demand would look like, right? So I don't want to do too much. Even if I knew what the demand would look like, I mean, I don't have the funds to do too much, but then again, I don't know what the demand will look like. So it will be a perfect time to actually just like test the waters to see, you know, what my customers respond to the most, what they buy the most, and then I can make more of that.